In a grid-tied connection, basically, what you have is a solar panel. You don't have a charge controller, a separate charge controller. This inverter is designed to monitor what is coming from your solar panel, and it's also designed to give the output as AC into your house. So you have DC coming from the solar, enters into the inverter, and you can use it to power your home. Now you have a meter here and you have utility grid. Now, what this tells you is that you can move your excess power generated by your solar panel into the grid. And there's a meter here which does two functions to help you to ascertain what you are sending to the grid, and also it helps you to know what you are receiving from the grid. So you can actually monitor your generation to the grid, and while there's no more solar in the night, you can also take from the grid back to power your home. An hybrid system comprised of a solar panel, the hybrid inverter, the battery, the grid. So how does this work? So in this type of system, you have your solar panel supplying DC into this hybrid inverter. Now, most times these hybrid inverters has inbuilt charge controllers. So it charges your battery, you get supply into your home. Now, the other thing it does is that if you look at this arrow on the battery, this inverter charges this battery. So during the night when the solar is off, you can also get DC from the battery, which this inverter convert into AC for you to use in your home. This hybrid inverter also can also be used to supply locality, as in it can also be used to supply areas where their load is to be powered. So basically, you have the solar panel, you have the battery, you have the hybrid inverter, you have your home appliance. So sometimes in this hybrid inverter, you may want to incorporate uh, grid to charge your batteries even when the solar panel is not performing. So sometimes you charge your battery through the inverter when your grid is on. So you can also feed in your grid to the hybrid inverter, which helps you to charge your battery while you also use in your